Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it. And that's because we are focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.